Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Aanchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, in our previous session, as you know that we have discussed about the topic that is that was animals and their habitat. So this was a topic that we have discussed in our previous session. So today we are going to start with the topic from our GK book as a revision that is given at page number is 48, that is festive spirit. Okay, this is the next topic that we are going to start in today's session. Okay, so all of you kindly open your books at page number 48, that is festive spirit. So I'm just writing the topic here, that is festive spirit. Okay, this is the topic and this is given at page number 48. Festive spirit. So what is the meaning of the topic, or what we are going to discuss in this topic? Okay, so I'll just give you a very small introduction about the topic. Though we have already done the topic for 2 times, this is the 3rd time we are doing the same topic, and this is the revision part as well. So I will just write the revision here. Okay, so this is the revision. Okay, so now as we will start topic, that is festive spirit. So the meaning of the topic festive spirit. Okay, so as you know, festive means, festive word is related to the festival. Festive जो word है बेटा, that is related to the festival. So that means in this topic we will discuss about the various festivals that are being celebrated all around the world. Okay, so in the whole world there are different festivals that are being celebrated, and each festival have their own importance. Okay, some are celebrated for the mostly the festivals those are celebrated, they are celebrated for celebrating some traditional or some ancient event that was held a long time back. देखिए जैसे बहुत सारे जो इवेंट्स हैं, जो ज़्यादातर जो फेस्टिवल्स हैं, इसको जो हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट द इंडियन फेस्टिवल्स, ओके, सो लेट्स टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ दिवाली. सो व्हाई वी सेलिब्रेट दिवाली? Okay, so we celebrate the Diwali to celebrate the returning of Lord Ram to his hometown Ayodhya. Okay, so after the 14 years of exile, okay, 14 साल के वनवास काटने के बाद जो भगवान राम थे वो अयोध्या वापस आए थे. ओके, सो उस चीज़ को देखिए, वो चीज़ आज से हज़ारों साल पहले दैट वाज हैपेंड नियर अबाउट थाउजेंड्स ऑफ years back. But still today we celebrate the same festival with a great happiness. Okay, with a great we just love. Okay, and my favorite festival is the Diwali only. So most of you must be having the favorite festival must be Diwali only. तो ज़्यादातर आप लोगों का भी favorite festival क्या होगा? दिवाली. Okay, so we want but the ancient story or the history behind the celebration of this festival is that on this day the Lord Rama he returned back to his hometown, that is Ayodhya. Clear? So like that, another festival that is Dussehra. Okay, so Dussehra is celebrated and the history of Dussehra is that is celebrated to celebrate the victory of Lord Ram over Ravan. तो रावण के ऊपर भगवान श्री राम ने जब श्रीलंका जाके माता सीता को उनकी उनके जेल से या उनकी कैद से आज़ाद करवाया था. सो ओके, एंड देन ही किल्ड द रावण एज वेल. ओके, सो the day on which he killed the Ravan, that day is celebrated as the Dussehra. Okay, just like the Holi, the Raksha Bandhan, and there are many other festivals like Muharram, Christmas, they all have some history. Okay, so just like in this topic, okay, so that same in this topic we are going to discuss about the various festivals of the world, okay, that have some great history behind it. Okay, so let's begin with the topic, that is festive spirit, given at page number 48. Okay, so here it is given, fill in the missing letters to name these festivals from all over the world. Okay, so here the various festivals are given. Okay, there's some explanation, some information about the festival and their history, why they are being celebrated, it is given here, and how they are celebrated, that is also given here. Okay, so let's begin with the first, that is, this is the Jewish festival of lights. Okay, so the first festival we are talking about, this festival is known as the Jewish festival of lights. Okay, it starts on the 25th day of the Jewish calendar month Kislev and continues for the 8 days and the 8 nights. Candles are lit every night, special games are played, and traditional dishes are prepared. Okay, so this is the festival that is known as Hanukkah. Hanukkah is the Jewish festival of lights. Okay, so just like Diwali is the festival of lights for the Hindu, the people who belong to the Hindu religion, they celebrate Diwali as their festival of lights. So just like that, the people who follow the Jewish religion, okay, they celebrate this festival, okay, that is Hanukkah. Okay, and this Hanukkah is termed as the Jewish festival of lights. So Hanukkah को Jewish festival of lights बोला जाता है. Okay. It starts on the 25th day of the Jewish calendar month Kislev. Okay, so this, okay, on which day this Hanukkah fest is celebrated. So this Hanukkah festival is celebrated according to the Jewish calendar. Okay, देखिए जैसे हिंदू कैलेंडर होता है, इस्लामिक कैलेंडर होता है, so वैसे ही there is the Jewish calendar as well. Okay, and Hanukkah is celebrated according to the Jewish calendar. Okay, and the name of the Jewish calendar is Kislev. Okay, sorry, calendar. Okay, so the Jewish people, they also have their own calendar. Okay, and the calendar month is the Kislev. So Kislev is the name of the month according to the Jewish calendar. Okay, and in the Kislev, जैसे कि month हम जनवरी फरवरी हम श्रावण भादो बोलते हैं, so just like that Kislev is a month that is in the Jewish calendar. Okay, so उसी कैलेंडर के 25th, सॉरी उसी मंथ के किस्लेव मंथ के 25th डे से they start celebrating this Hanukkah festival of lights. Okay, and this fest is celebrated from the 25th day of Kislev up to the next 8 days and 8 nights. तो अगले 8 दिन और 8 रातों तक this Hanukkah festival is being celebrated. Okay, candles are lit every night, special games are played, and traditional dishes are prepared. Okay, so how the people they celebrate this festival of lights. So the people celebrate this festival of lights by lighting the candles जला के, जैसे as we do in the Diwali. So they celebrate this festival by lighting the candle, okay, every night. Okay, special games by playing the special games and preparing the traditional dishes. Okay, so just as we do in the Diwali, so they also lit the candles, they play games, they also play various games. Okay, so the Hindus, the family and the friends, they come together, they sit together, okay, and they celebrate this festival by having traditional dishes, okay, by taking the अच्छे ट्रेडिशनल डिशेस का स्वाद लेते हुए, दिए जलाते, कैंडल्स जलाते हुए और गेम्स खेलते हुए, they celebrate these 8 days and 8 nights of this Hanukkah festival. So Hanukkah is the festival of lights for the Jewish people. Okay, so if the question is what is the name of the Jewish festival of lights, the answer is Hanukkah. So the answer is Hanukkah. Okay, so let's begin with the first. So the answer is Hanukkah. Hanukkah, H-A-N-U-K-K-A-H. That is Hanukkah. Hanukkah is the, okay, and it is given the blank, so they have just given the blank form. So Hanukkah is the Jewish festival of lights. Clear? This is the answer of the first. Moving next to the second one. It marks the end of the Ramadan, the Muslim holy month of fasting. It is celebrated in the Shawwal, the 10th month of the Islamic calendar. Okay, so now we are talking about the another festival. The name of the festival is that is Eid ul Fitr. Okay, just as I have told you in the previous point that Jewish people, they have their calendar. Okay, according to that calendar, in the month of Kislev, 25th day of the Kislev month, they start celebrating the Hanukkah festival. So just like that, Islamic people, they also have their own calendars. आपने हिंदू कैलेंडर भी सुना होगा बेटा. तो mostly जो religions होते हैं, they have their own calendars according to which they celebrate their some traditional festivals. Clear? So now we are talking about another very important festival of the Muslim people. Okay, that is celebrated according to their Islamic calendar. So though they have the Muslim people, they have Islamic calendar. Now it marks the end of the Ramadan, the Muslim holy month of fasting. It is celebrated in Shawwal, the 10th month of Islamic calendar. Okay, so according to the Islamic calendar, okay, or in the 10th month, according to the 10th month of the Islamic calendar, तो Islamic calendar के हिसाब से जो उनका 10वां महीना होता है, the name of the month is Shawwal. So Shawwal is the name of the 10th month according to the Islamic calendar. Okay, and according to that calendar, they start celebrating this festival. Okay, they celebrate this festival, okay, for the whole month. Actually, it's a you can say this is just a complete month of Ramadan. Okay, so that month is known as the month of Ramadan. So the month of Ramadan, so this is okay, so that 10th month of is according to the Islamic calendar. So during that whole month, okay, the 10th month, that is Shawwal. Okay, so during that whole month is known as the holy month, that is Ramadan. इसको रमादान बोला जाता है. और on the last day of this holy month Ramadan, they celebrate this feast that is known as Eid ul Fitr. ओके, तो रमज़ान महीने का जो सबसे आखिरी दिन होता है, तो उस दिन ये लोग जो मुस्लिम पीपल है, द इस्लामिक पीपल, दे सेलिब्रेट दिस इस्लामिक फेस्ट दैट इज नोन एज रमज़ान. ओके, सो द नेम ऑफ द फेस्टिव दैट इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन द लास्ट डे ऑफ द होली मंथ ऑफ रमज़ान, ओके, बाय द मुस्लिम पीपल अकॉर्डिंग टू द इस्लामिक कैलेंडर, दैट इज ईद उल फितर. दैट इज ईद उल फितर. So the answer of the second one is that is Eid ul Fitr. That is Eid ul Fitr. Eid ul Fitr. Okay. So this is the last day of the holy month of Ramadan. Moving next to the third one. The third feast that is given here is this feast. This is the New Year's Day of Parsis. Okay, so Parsis is just also one of the kind of the religion. Okay, so देखिए in this world there are number of religions and the people who follow the different religions, they are also different. Okay, तो बहुत सारे अलग अलग धर्मों के लोग इस पूरी दुनिया में रहते हैं और बहुत सारे अलग अलग लोग जो अलग अलग धर्मों को फॉलो करते हैं. ओके, वैसे ही there is another religion we are talking about, that the Parsi people, जो पारसी लोग हैं. Okay, so they have another fest that they celebrate. Okay, so according to the Parsis calendar, you can say this is the New Year's days of the Parsis. So which day is known as the New Year day of Parsis? That is Navroz. So Navroz is the New Year day of Parsis. That is Navroz. So Navroz is the New Year day of Parsis. So the answer of the third one is that is Navroz. That is Navroz. So Navroz is the New Year day of Parsis. Navroz is the New Year day of Parsis. Clear? Moving next to the fourth one. The fourth is This festival, held in January, celebrates Lord Buddha's first visit to the city of Kelania in Sri Lanka. Thousands of people visit the sacred Kelania temple in Colombo. Drummers, dancers and elephants are the part of the colorful procession arranged during the festival. So now we are talking about the another festival that is being celebrated in Sri Lanka. Okay, so the name of the fest is that is Duruthu Pera Hera. Okay, so this is the festival that is being celebrated in Sri Lanka, and the name of the festival is quite long. That is Duruthu, D-U-R-U-T-H-U, Duruthu Pera Hera. This is the name of the fest that is being celebrated in Sri Lanka. Now, why this festival is, what is the history behind celebrating this festival? The history is, so this festival held in January. So देखिए this, okay, ये festival जो दुरुथु हेरा पेरा जिसके बारे में मैंने आपको बताया. So this is celebrated in the honor of the celebration of the when the Lord Buddha paid his first visit to the Sri Lanka. तो जब भगवान बुद्ध पहली बार श्रीलंका गए थे, ओके, तो जिस दिन वो श्रीलंका गए थे पहली बार, सो दैट डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड एज द दुरुथु पेरा हेरा. सो दिस फेस्टिवल हेल्ड इन जनवरी. सो दिस जो फेस्टिवल है दिस इज बेसिकली हेल्ड इन द मंथ ऑफ जनवरी एवरी ईयर. ओके, एंड दिस इज फॉर सेलिब्रेटिंग द फर्स्ट विजिट ऑफ लॉर्ड बुद्धास टू द श्रीलंका. Thousands of people visit the sacred Kelania temple in Colombo. बहुत सारे लोग, thousands of people, they pay visit to the Kelania temple in Colombo. So Colombo के Kelania temple. So this is the temple where Lord Buddha paid his first visit. Okay, तो उस Kelania जो जगह जहाँ पे भगवान बुद्ध पहली बार गए थे, so उसी दिन on the day on which this बहुत सारे लोग इस Kelania temple में आते हैं. Okay, drummers, dancers and elephants are the part of the colorful procession arranged during the festival. So okay, during this festival where various drummers, बहुत सारे drummers, ठीक है, dancers, so they just celebrate this festival by singing, dancing. Okay, and this is the one of the famous festivals of Sri Lanka. This is one of the famous festival of Sri Lanka, and the name of the fest is Duruthu Pera Hera. That is Duruthu Pera Hera. Duruthu Pera Hera. Okay, that is D-U-T-E-H-R. That is Duruthu Pera Hera. Moving next to the fifth one. So let's see what is given in the fifth fest. This harvest festival, celebrated in the state of Kerala in India, honors the ancient king Mahabali. The famous snake boat race is held during this festival. Okay, so now we are talking about the another famous festival of Sri Lanka, so of our own country Kerala, sorry, of our own country India, and it is celebrated in the state that is Kerala. So the next festival जिसकी हम बात करें, this festival is celebrated in the states, the southern state of our country, that is Kerala. Okay, so Kerala में इस festival celebrate किया जाता है, and the name of the festival is Onam. Okay, and this Onam festival is celebrated as a harvest festival. ये एक harvest festival है. Okay, and this festival is celebrated in the honor of their king, the king that is Mahabali. ओके, जो उनके किंग हैं, तो महाबली उनको याद करते हुए दिस फेस्टिवल इज सेलिब्रेटेड एवरी ईयर. ओके, एंड दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल ऑफ केरला. द फेमस स्नेक बोट रेस इज हेल्ड ड्यूरिंग दिस फेस्टिवल. और ये फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हुए बहुत सारी गेम्स होती हैं, एंड वन ऑफ द वेरी फेमस गेम दैट इज द स्नेक बोट रेस दैट इज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड ड्यूरिंग द सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ दिस फेस्ट, दैट इज ओनम. Okay, so Onam is the famous harvest festival of Kerala, of our own country India, and okay, and this festival is celebrated in the honor of the king दैट इज महाबली, एक उनके पुराने किंग थे, राजा थे महाबली, उन्हीं के ऑनर में दिस फेस्टिवल इज बीइंग सेलिब्रेटेड. सो द नेम ऑफ द फेस्ट इज दैट इज ओनम. ONAM, that is Onam. N and M. So these are the two blanks. Onam. Okay, so these are the answers for the first 5 festivals. Moving next to the sixth one. So let's begin with the sixth. So the sixth fest is, this is an annual fest day in Ireland celebrated in the honor of the Saint Patrick, one of the patron saints of the country. People generally wear green on this day. So the another festival we are talking about, this is the annual fest day in Ireland. So Ireland में celebrate किया जाने वाला, this is an annually means साल में एक बार. Okay, so this is an annual fest that is being celebrated in the country, that is Ireland. Okay, and the name of this fest is Saint Patrick's Day. So this festival is being celebrated in the honor of one of their saint. एक उनके सेंट थे, एक उनके सेंट थे या गुरु कह लीजिए, whose name was Saint Patrick. Okay, okay, so he was one of the patron saints of the country. People generally wear green on this day. Okay, so this Saint Patrick's Day is celebrated in the honor of their saint, that is Saint Patrick. And is then the people, they used to wear, the people of Ireland, they used to wear the green only. So the people of Ireland, they wear green clothes on this day, that is the Saint Patrick's Day. Okay, so the name of the fest that is being and colorful parades are also organized during this festival, during the celebration of this festival. Okay, and you can see here the picture is also given. So this is a colorful parade. Okay, and most of the people, they are wearing green on this day, and this is the Saint Patrick's Day. So the name of the fest that is being celebrated in Ireland is, that is the sixth one, that is Saint Patrick's Day. That is Saint Patrick's Day. Saint Patrick's Day. Okay, this is the blank that is given here. Saint Patrick's Day, one of the famous fest of Ireland. Moving next to the seventh one, another fest that is celebrated. Okay, so this Christian festival, so next festival we are talking about, this is being celebrated, the people who follow the Christian religion. Okay, so the Christian festival celebrates the resurrection of the Jesus Christ. Special decorated eggs are exchanged in this festival. Okay, so now we are talking about one of the very important festival. Okay, that is the Easter. Okay, and this is a festival that is being celebrated by the Christians. Okay, and on this day, okay, they celebrate the Jesus Christ resurrection. So they believe that on this day the Jesus Christ has taken birth again into the world. Okay, and on this day they the people, those who celebrate this fest, they exchange the decorated eggs with each other. ओके, तो इस दिन वो स्पेशली डेकोरेटेड जो एग्स हैं, अंडे हैं, उनको एक दूसरे के साथ एक्सचेंज करते हैं. ओके, सो दिस फेस्ट इज मेनली सेलिब्रेटेड बाय द पीपल हु फॉलो द क्रिश्चियन रिलीजन. सो द नेम ऑफ द फेस्ट इज ईस्टर. द नेम ऑफ द फेस्टिवल इज ईस्टर. EASTER. That is Easter. That is Easter. Okay, moving next to the 8th. This is the national Mexican holiday celebrated throughout Mexico and around the world. In the other cultures, family and friends gather to pray and remember loved ones who have died. Okay, so just like we celebrate, हमारे not celebration we will say, जैसे कि हमारे यहाँ शराद मनाया जाता है. So just like that, the people, the Mexican people, they also celebrate a day. So we just हमारे यहाँ जो शराद है, that is being celebrated for 15 days. But the people of the Mexican city or the Mexican people, the people of Mexico, they celebrate a day. The name of the day is the Day of the Dead. The Day of the Dead. So this is the name of the day. Okay, so on this, the Mexican people, they pay tribute to, they pay tribute, or they just pray for their loved ones, those who had left the world or those who have died. Okay, तो इस दिन जो बहुत सारी family and friends, their family and friends, they come together, okay, and they pray and remember the loved ones who have died. Okay, so this is the Day of the Dead that is being celebrated in the city of, in the country Mexico. Okay, and not only Mexico but in other countries as well, this day is being celebrated. And okay, and they celebrate this day while remembering their loved ones, those who have already died. So the name of the day is, that is the Day of the Dead. That is the Day of the Dead. Day of the Dead. The Day of the Dead. Okay, A-H-E-N-A. That is Day of the Dead. Moving next to the ninth one. So the ninth is, this festival celebrates in the mid-April, marks the Assamese New Year. It is coming of spring, where farmers prepare their paddy fields. So now we are talking about another festival that is being celebrated by the people of Assam. Okay, and this festival is mainly celebrated during the mid-April month. So April month का जो mid है, उस time पे mainly this festival is being celebrated. Okay, and this festival, on this day, the Assamese New Year. So Assami जो लोग हैं, they celebrate this day as their New Year day. Okay, the name of this festival is Rongali Bihu. The name of this festival is Rongali Bihu. Okay, so on this day they celebrate, the people of the Assamese people, they celebrate this day as their New Year day. Otherwise, other than that, the farmers, okay, the farmers of Assam, they start preparing their fields. Okay, they start preparing their fields to grow crops. So they are just start preparing their fields. Okay, so this is the name of the festival is Rongali Bihu. Okay, and it is being celebrated in the mid-April month, mid of the April month. Okay, so name of the festival is Rongali Bihu, and this is the day they believe on which day the Assami New Year starts. Okay, and it is coming of spring, where farmers prepare. Okay, so this festival denotes now the spring season has arrived, and now they are going to prepare their fields for growing their crops. Okay, so the name of the festival is Rongali Bihu. That is Rongali Bihu. That is Rongali Bihu. R-G-I-H. Rongali Bihu. Moving to the last one. That is celebrated in Brazil, the United States, France and the other countries. This festival is characterized by the colorful parades, carnivals and the fest. Okay, so now we are talking about another festival that is being celebrated in the different countries like the Brazil, the United States, France, and other than that the many other European countries. Okay, so in this festival the people, they organize they organize a very beautiful and colorful parades. Okay, and this is the carnivals were there, the fests are there. Okay, and they are special colorful parades that are being organized while celebrating this festival. So the name of the festival is Mardi Gras Festival. So this is the festival that is Mardi Gras Festival. Okay, Mardi Gras, M-A-R-D-I-G-R-A-S. That is Mardi Gras Festival, and this is celebrated mainly in the European countries. So European countries people, they celebrate this day mainly, okay, like the Brazil, United States, France and other countries. Okay, so in this topic we have discussed about the different festivals that are being celebrated all over the world by the people. Okay, so with this I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session class. So till then everybody, have a great day.